Hi Sonia, welcome to IBP News. Today my guest is Sonia Punjabi, who's an insurance professional. Hello.
Hi.
I want to know a lot of things from you. Okay, first let me start off with this. What is we are in Star Office, Star Insurance Office, okay, health insurance. Now I'd like to know what is Star Health Insurance and what do you do in that? That's very important.
Yeah, so I'm a insurance professional. My name is Sonia Punjabi. I'm into insurance from the last 15 years.
Okay.
My company name is Health and Wealth Assured. So I've been with Star Health since the last around 12, 13 years now.
Wow.
Yeah, I actually started my journey into insurance with life insurance in ICICI Prudential. And then I started with Star Health. So it's been like, around 12, 13 years now in Star Health.
Congratulations. Long time. Yeah.
Thank you. So Star Health is the first standalone health insurance company. So it deals only with health insurance. It does not do anything like car or travel or car or any other general insurance things. It's only related to health insurance. So that's about Star Health. And also Star Health is the number one insurance company now. Already it has done a business of 16,000 crores till now. I mean, this year.
That's too much.
So it's like really good. And in fact, the second company was done, which is, I won't mention the name, but that has just done 5,000 crores.
Okay.
And we have settled much more claims than what the company has done. So, that's really amazing.
Okay.
And every day, 5,000 plus claims are settled. Every day. So it's really amazing, and hats off.
Well, congratulations for this, and thanks for the detailed history about Star and about yourself.
Thank you.
Now, my next question is that what is PED? I've heard a lot about PED, and what is the waiting period for it?
Yeah, so PED is pre-existing diseases.
Okay.
So anything like, suppose you take a policy and whatever ailments or there you have done before taking the policy, that comes under your PED.
Okay.
That is pre-existing disease, right? And so there is a waiting period of 3 years, and normally it's a waiting period of 3 years, but in some plans we have waiting period of just 30 days. In the newest plan, we have a waiting period of just 30 days. So that's a Superstar Flexi plan, which is really amazing. And just 30 days and you get covered for, something like asthma, BP, cardiac and diabetes.
Okay.
Yeah. And normally it is a 3-year waiting period.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow,
and
nice.
for some surgeries, there is 2-year waiting period. That is like hernia, piles, fistula, gallbladder stone. So for those things, in every company, it's a 2-year waiting period. And for illnesses like dengue or some, viral fever and all that, malaria or something, it is 30 days waiting period.
Okay.
Yeah.
So health insurance is only for individuals or it's also for family? I'd like to know that.
Yeah. So in health insurance can be for everyone, for families as well as individuals. And we cover like, parents also in the same plan. We can do that, and 2 adults, 3 children can be covered, plus the parents. We have plans which covers the whole entire family. Okay. Even uncle, aunts, all that also can be made in a combination.
Okay, that's
that
nice.
Way, yeah.
Do you have any plans for cardiac patients? That's very important because the rate of, heart attacks and all these days, in India. So in fact, all over. So do you have something for that, for cardiac patients?
Yes, we already have a plan called Cardiac Care Platinum, which is meant specifically for cardiac care patients, like, those who have done bypass or those who have done, something like angioplasty or even a pacemaker.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so even for them, it is, covered after 30 days.
Okay.
And the age limit is 70 years in that, and lifelong renewals. So it's like really amazing.
Okay.
And plus in the Superstar plan also we can give them, cover them after 30 days. Okay. If you have done it in the last 1 year, angioplasty in the last 1 year, then they also can be covered in the Superstar Flexi plan.
Okay, and what about cancer patients? Do you all cover them also?
Yes, normally other companies do not give cancer cover, but we have a plan called Cancer Care Platinum, in which even cancer survivors can take that plan. It's really amazing.
Oh, that's very nice.
Yeah, and you can even, there's an option of a lump sum cover also.
Okay.
So they can choose that. So suppose a 10 lakh policy is there and a lump sum cover will be given of 5 lakhs. So instant on diagnosis you can get a lump sum cover.
Oh, that's very interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, now as you know, diabetes is very, increasing here in India. In fact, all over the world, yeah, it's rising.
Right.
So, do you have any plan for diabetic patients?
Yes, of course, we have a diabetes safe plan for the diabetes patients, and even for those who have taking insulin, like type 1 diabetes, they also can be covered. After like there's a little waiting period for them, and they can be covered after that.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, what is cashless mediclaim? And how do you go about it? How do you go ahead for hospitalization in that?
Yeah, so cashless mediclaim is like we have 14,000 hospitals which are in our network. So anybody is hospitalized, he just needs to go, he will be getting a card, he just needs to show the card there, and they take a little deposit. The hospital takes a deposit, and then all the bills are settled cashless. And like normally in around 2 to 3 hours, you get a cashless approval also.
Okay, that's nice.
So it's really amazing.
So this is like really good, for people who are like middle class, you see.
Yeah, even
and
middle class, for everyone actually. It is there's no middle class and all. Everybody is seen in
that's the best thing actually.
Right.
It's for everyone.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So now I'd like to ask you, what is OPD and what is covered in that?
Yeah, OPD is like when you go to a doctor for a consultation and all that. So all that is covered in OPD, as well as medicines, lab tests and all that. So in fact, Star has come up with such a service, home health care service, in which you just need to, there's a number given and you just need to dial that number. And suppose you are like having fever or something like that, even that kind of thing, they will consult you. And even there is somebody like, if it's required, then they will come home and, do the needful, like.
Super.
They'll give you proper treatment, so you don't need to go to the hospital for this.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Wow. Superb. So that's very nice, interesting. Now I'd like to know what is, do you have anything for ophthalmic and dental treatments? Anything covered in that?
See, usually the ophthalmic and dental is not covered in any, insurance, health insurance. But we have a plan called comprehensive plan in which ophthalmic and dental, ophthalmic or dental is covered every 3 years.
Okay.
Every 3 claim-free years, you can opt for a ophthalmic or a dental benefit.
Okay.
So depending on what sum insured you are choosing, it's according to that.
So it's just, you mean to say it's just Star Health which covers
Yes,
these two,
yes. Mostly Star Health only is doing it, and also in the new Superstar plan, we have every second and third year. We have on second and third year, we have a dental benefit given that is for scaling, cleaning, consultation, and X-ray.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, that too at actual.
Oh wow, that's nice. Okay, so I'd like to ask you, do you have any plan for critical illnesses, like really critical,
Yes, we do have a critical illness benefit in which 25 critical illnesses are covered, and you can also opt for a lump sum cover in that. You get a lump sum amount, like suppose you take a 25 lakh policy and you are diagnosed with a critical illness, and that amount is given to you in your account. Okay. So it's not a hospitalization thing, it's a lump sum amount which is given.
Oh wow, that's nice. Okay, so what about maternity? Is that also covered in health insurance?
Yeah, maternity usually people do not cover, like the insurance companies, but now like we're having lot of plans in fact for maternity. Not one, but I think around 2-3 plans are there for maternity. Yeah, so like we have a women care, we have health assure plan, we have Superstar Flexi plan. So if I talk about women care plan, in which even maternity can be covered after 1 year.
It's so nice.
So it's really good. And I suppose you take a insurance above 15 lakhs, you can get a cover for maternity after 1 year.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and so plus even the pregnant woman can take the women care plan.
Okay, so that's very important actually these days, maternity is like really, really happening.
Yeah, okay. And in the health assure plan, I would like to tell you that is 10% given for maternity. So suppose you're taking a 50 lakhs cover, you're going to get 5 lakhs for maternity.
Oh wow!
And that too a lump sum amount,
Okay,
so it's really good.
Yeah. But great, you got we got to know so much about And
it's really amazing because in the women care plan we also have for the antenatal for the baby. Okay. All that is also covered. Oh, wow. And the baby is covered from day 1.
Oh, that's very
That's
interesting.
really
Yeah,
good.
I didn't know. That's
Yeah,
what I
and the
didn't
baby
know.
is going to be called the Star Baby, Star Health
Of
Baby.
course, it has to.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your favorite plan? What's the USP of that plan? And give me some details about it.
Yeah, that's
Whatever
my
is good.
favorite topic. I love to talk about
Okay.
the favorite plan. So it is the Superstar Flexi plan, which in the option is preferred option. So in that we have a freeze your age option, which is really good. Like suppose you are 30 and you take this plan, so your premium does not increase at all till age 55,
Okay.
and that's really amazing because you're really saving on so much of premium. And the other benefit is like we have the quick shield benefit, as I told you earlier,
Okay.
in which 30 days ke baad ABCD, that is asthma, BP, cardiac issues, cholesterol and diabetes, all that is covered within 30 days. That's really amazing. Plus the bonus is accumulative bonus is given of 50% every year. I mean, first 2 years, and limitless loyalty bonus is given of 100% every year,
Okay.
even if you claim.
Oh wow,
So
that's very
irrespective
interesting.
of claiming, also you get 100%. So you're taking a 20 lakh policy every year is going to increase by, the like same amount.
Thank you so much, Sonia. We got to know so much about Star Health Insurance, and your plans. It was so meaningful, this session, and the whole topic was so great and very insightful. So thank you so much. And all of y'all, if y'all want to do any kind of insurance, please connect with her. She's superb, and her plans are really good. Thank you so much. Yeah, once again.
Yeah, thanks for coming, Malahat. It's
My
really
pleasure.
great to have you here.
Thank you.
And yeah, it was really very nice to be here at Star Health with Dr. Malahat.